Hello colleagues, today we'll learn how to keep secrets with Zoho Vault application. To start using Zoho Vault, we have to activate Zoho Vault application in our Zoho One account. Zoho Vault is a password management tool developed by Zoho Corporation. It's designed to help individuals and business securely store and manage their passwords and other sensitive information such as credit cards details and confidential notes. So we added this application and assigned users and roles of these users to this application. You can see 2 users assigned to Zoho Vault. And now you can find Zoho Vault in the list of the other applications. Let us check our inbox in Zoho Mail application to find a notification about adding us to Zoho Vault account. Follow the link to start the initial process of creating Zoho Vault account. You need to add additional master password to make your application secure. Don't forget this key because you cannot restore it. During the first login, Zoho offers you to take a quick tour through the Zoho Vault user interface. Zoho Vault allows users to store passwords in a centralized encrypted database that can be accessed through a web browser or mobile application. The tool also supports two-factor authentication and lets users share passwords with team members or external parties with different levels of access permissions. Additionally, Zoho Vault offers features such as password generation and expiration alerts to help users maintain strong and secure passwords. So after taking this tour, we can start using Zoho Vault application. That's it. Ready to use. And now we can start to leverage Zoho Vault, and we add a password to save some credentials for one of our external accounts. It would be web account. We can give it a name, select to create a new folder, username, password, and other information we want to store for the sharing or just saving this data. Zoho Vault allows us to generate secure password. I recommend this feature for everybody, and make some notes about this particular secret. I don't recommend save the password with Google browser. You can see that there are a lot of presets of different kind of applications, cloud applications and desktop. So I can select one from the list and save, for example, a corporate Skype account, credentials to Zoho Vault. And now you can share this password or just launch the application, automatically sign in. Different level of permissions can be selected. And other functions like management of folders, users, and level of access. Zoho Vault supports external sharing of passwords and other sensitive information with different level of access permissions. To share a password or credential with an external party using Zoho Vault, you can create a secure link that the recipient can use to access the information. You can set different permissions for each recipient, such as read-only access or full edit permissions. Additionally, you can set an expiration date for the shared link to automatically revoke access after the certain period of time. To ensure security and privacy when sharing sensitive information externally, Zoho Vault uses encryption and other security measures to protect the data in transit and at rest. It also offers two-factor authentication and other security controls to prevent unauthorized access. On the next lesson, we'll learn how to use Zoho Learn. It's a learning management system from Zoho.